Thank you. Today, we solemnly remember the hundreds of thousands of Assyrian Christians murdered from 1915 to 1923. As we reflect upon the centennial of this tragedy, we must commit ourselves to combating further genocides from occurring. The United States needs to remain a global champion for human rights. To ensure we continue to be an advocate for the voiceless and oppressed around the world, I am proud to have formed the bipartisan U.S. Senate Human Rights Caucus. I am committed to using this caucus to boost awareness and spearhead solutions to worldwide injustices and abuses. Today, Assyrian Christians and other religious and ethnic minorities in the Middle East again face an existential threat. We must do our utmost to support the Assyrian Christian community in the struggle against ISIS and ensure that the Assyrian people are able to survive in this region as they have for millennia. I thank you for allowing me to be your advocate and voice in the U.S. Senate. It is an honor to serve you as your representative for Illinois. Sincerely, Mark Stephen Kirk.